Hello everyone, welcome to Zavi Showroom. I'm Amanda. This is a step-by-step guide for all vendors on using our showroom platform. Make sure to watch until the end, as we will cover everything you need to know. How to join the tab campaign, how to bind with Zavi, and how to send out samples. Each step is essential to successfully listing your product on showroom, so be sure to follow along carefully from start to the end. Okay, so let's start. First, you need to sign up. And then go to my shop page, click here to authorize your shop. Afterwards, let me show you how to add your product to the tab campaign. Okay, now let's come to the affiliate center. On the left panel, under Work with Partners, click on Agency Initiate Campaign. Type Zavi here and click Search. And then let's register. Scroll down and click the Register Product button and choose the product you want to register and click the Next button. Input a commission. Make sure it is at least 5% higher than what you offer in Open Collab. We recommend to set your commission from 25% to 35% to attract more creators. Input 1 as sample quantity and enter your email. Submit and register. Okay, so now your product will be listed on the pending tab. Once we approve your product, it might need to take like 30 minutes. It will appear in the ongoing tab. Next, you need to bind with Zavi. Here, I will use one of the UK bindings for example, but all the binding process and user interface is the same. You can simply bind according to your location. Please make sure to bind all the following services on the TikTok Seller Center. Simply click the links below and bind for 1 year. Choose 1 year and enter your email. Tick these two boxes to authorize Zavi. Choose your TikTok account and authorize. Okay, the final step is very important. Please follow carefully, or you won't be able to list your product on the showroom platform. Before you fill in the tracking number, you need to ship the product you uploaded on the showroom platform. Remember to pack it nicely and choose a reliable courier company to send out samples. Also remember to keep the tracking number at hand. Okay, let's get back to showroom and click My Shelf. Tick the checkbox of the product you sent to the showroom, click the tracking number button. Fill in the information and click on Confirm. Please give a few days for the parcel to arrive, and then 3 more working days for us to produce the product footage. When you see the picture of your samples on the shelf, it means the samples have arrived. The footage has been uploaded, and everything is ready for creators to start promoting your products. Okay, after that, on the product card, the verified yellow icon will appear. This is important because verified products are listed on the top of the page. And it tells creator that we check the quality and confirm they match the product description. Besides, the footage black icon will appear on the top right. This means the footage of that product is available. And then click on the instruction icon to input your brand guidelines and all the information that can help creators promote your products. Also, you can use the upload function to upload your own footage so the creators can use it to generate videos. Finally, you can click on this camera button to start using our Power Video tool. Okay, so that's it. Enjoy the time you will save and the GMV you will generate. Bye bye!